students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this session also we are going to do one more proof on the application of basic proportionality theorem. Actually, it's not exactly basic proportionality theorem application. It's an application of corollary of basic proportionality theorem.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.
Just see, here in the given figure, DE parallel to BC and CD parallel to EF. Prove that, AD square equal to AB into AF. We need to show this. And remember, this is a question of CBSE 2005. So this is also application which is given in 2005, which is an application of what? Basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem, right? So anyways, so let us focus on it. Okay, what is given in the given figure? DE parallel to BC and CD parallel to EF. Let us notice them. DE parallel to BC, which is DE here? This is DE. Okay, this DE is parallel to what? BC. Okay, these two are parallel. And CD is parallel to EF. See here, CD means this one is parallel to what? EF. So these two are parallel to each other. Okay. So here we have given that these two are parallel and these two are separately parallel. So here only we got a way to solve this problem. Understand? So first of all, when the problem is given, you shouldn't attack it on directly. Okay, so we just have to observe that what are the triangles can be separated from that given clumsy figure, where we can apply the Thales theorem and its corollaries, right? So let me choose one of the triangle from it. What is the triangle? Just see here, ADC. ADC. I am taking the triangle ADC. Let me draw here separately if it is looking clumsy. So like this, it is ADC. Is there or not? Okay. This is triangle ADC. This be A and let this be D and let this be C. Okay. I am taking this segment of the figure, right? And then let us choose the line segment EF here. Like this, it is there or not? So this and this are given parallel. I'm not taking DE here. I'm not considering that. Just this part I have considered. So that means in this triangle ADC, EF is parallel to DC, which is given. So these two are parallel. Now tell me, can we apply the results of basic proportionality theorem or not? That means Thales theorem or not? Yes, because one line is drawn parallel to one of the side of the triangle, which is intersecting remaining two sides. Okay, so therefore we can apply. But here we are not applying directly the rule of basic proportionality theorem. We are applying the rule of its corollary. What is its corollary? Tell me. AD by AF equal to AC by AE. Okay, let me write the condition. Now we are start writing proof. Okay, and proof would be what? Here in triangle, which triangle is that? ADC, right? In triangle ADC, triangle ADC. Now we are applying the result of corollary of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, right? So AD by AF. So AD by AF equal to AC by AE. See here, AD by AF equal to AC by AE. Right? We applied the corollary. So now let this be condition 1. This is condition 1. Okay. This is condition 1. Now let us go for another triangle. Okay. Let us take another triangle here. Okay, see this. Another triangle would be what? Here, let us consider the bigger triangle. What is that? ABC. Let me take here like this. Okay, ABC. This BA and this is B and this is C. A, B, C. Right? Now consider the line DE. Okay, this line segment is DE. And as we have given, these two are also parallel. So this is parallel to this, right? So can we apply all the rules of basic proportionality theorem or not? Exactly, because one line is drawn parallel to one of the side which is passing through remaining two sides, means which is intersecting remaining two sides, so we can easily apply the rule. So here also we try to apply corollary of basic proportionality theorem. What does it says here? AB by AD equal to what? AC by C. So in second triangle, what is the triangle? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what can we say from the corollary of the basic proportionality theorem? AB by AD equal to AC by AE. So this would be a AB by AD equal to, so this is D, okay, AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Okay, let this be condition 2. Okay, this is condition 2, right? Okay, now combining 1 and 2 conditions, what do you get? Here also you can observe that AD by AF equal to AC by AE. Similarly, AB by AD equal to AC by AE. So if you observe, AC by AE is common term here and here also. So here AC by AE equal to AD by AF. AC by AE is equal to AB by AD. So AC by AE is commonly equal to two different expressions. So therefore those two expressions also will be equal or not. That's it. So from 1 and 2, what can we see here? On combining 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What can we say here? When AC by AE is commonly equal to these two. So these two are also what? Separately equal. So AD by AF equal to AB by AD. So I think we obtained the given condition. But the given condition is something like this, no? So what can you do? Do something. You do the cross multiplication for the given expression. So what can you get here? Just tell me. Here AD into AD. That would be your AD square or not? Exactly. Now AB into AF. That would be your AB into AF. Did we obtain our required condition or not? This is AD square, which is equal to what? AB into AF. AD square equal to AB into AF. Like this we can do, which is the question of 2005 again. Okay. So like this, so many questions are given from board examinations. I think it is given in 2007 also. 2007 also. This is the question of the paper, right? To CBSE 2007. Okay, this is the question given, right? Like this we can solve. Anyways guys, if you are understanding this, if you are getting any doubts, or if you want anything else from us, if you are expecting, then don't forget to put them in the comment box. Write them in the comment box. We'll definitely consider your comments, and based on your comments we'll try to make the videos according to your opinions. Anyways, we are going to provide you full content on the geometry right from 8th standard to 10th standard. So for today, this is.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.